There has never been a better time in history to start a business with just $1,000 or less. In this video, I'll share 6 fantastic business ideas that you can kick off today without breaking the bank. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Web development. Back in 2016 to 2017, I had typically no savings, and I was even in some credit card debt. But that didn't stop me from diving into web design. I swiftly learned to create websites using the free WordPress.org platform coupled with a free plugin called Elementor. I scaled my web design business from a meager weekly income to thousands of dollars per week, eventually reaching an annual income of up to $80,000. The remarkable part is that I had zero prior web design experience. I spent approximately 2 weeks watching various web design and development tutorials. The beauty of it all was that I didn't need to learn coding. I relied on user-friendly drag-and-drop tools to get the job done. When it came to finding clients, even with my limited knowledge, I simply went to Upwork and submitted proposals. Web design and development completely transformed my life, allowing me to be my own boss, work from home, and escape the 9-to-5 grind. While it was undoubtedly hard work, it was immensely rewarding. I'm considering creating a series of videos guiding you step-by-step from zero to becoming a web developer. If that interests you, please drop a comment below requesting the dedicated web development video, and if there's enough interest, I'll get to work on the series. Print-on-demand posters. Another exciting business opportunity is creating print-on-demand posters. The online poster and canvas artwork industry is booming. Many of the artworks in my own home were purchased from Etsy, likely produced using a print-on-demand service like Printify. For instance, these remarkable stock market paintings cost around $200 each on Etsy, and the sellers didn't even have to handle any physical production or shipping. All they did was create an artwork, which doesn't cost a dime. Here's the incredible part. Even if you lack design or painting experience, there are 2 routes you can take, both without prior expertise. The first is crafting motivational quote posters similar to these examples. These posters sell for $159 to $1,400, depending on the size. Surprisingly, people are willing to spend this much on canvas posters, with many leaving glowing reviews. To create designs, you can use inspiring quotes from sites like inspiringquotes.com or utilize AI to generate motivating quotes for you. You can also employ AI to produce copyright-free poster artwork. For example, with a tool like Midjourney, you can request AI to create a red cherry botanical children's art print within seconds. Pair this with a free print-on-demand service like Printify, and they'll handle printing and shipping. I plan to make a dedicated video about this business soon, so if you're interested, please drop a comment. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Mobile car detailing. Next on our list is mobile car detailing, a business I recently observed in my neighborhood. Many people are willing to pay for regular car cleaning and detailing, making it a potentially lucrative venture. Starting is straightforward. Step 1. Ensure you have at least $150 in your bank account. Got it? Great! Now, step 2. Head to a local hardware store or Walmart and purchase a garden hose nozzle, a bucket, microfiber towels, glass cleaner, auto cleaner, a wash mitt, detailing brushes, a tire scrubber, tire shiner, an extension cord, and a shop vac. You don't need a pickup truck or a van to transport your equipment. It all fits in a regular sedan. You'll also need access to water and electricity, which can be done by buying a water tank and a portable power station, or by using a homeowner's outdoor resources, typically without issue. To find clients, You can use platforms like Facebook Marketplace, local Facebook groups, Craigslist, and Nextdoor. Additionally, consider investing in affordable door hanging flyers, which you can buy in bulk from Vistaprint. Hanging these in upscale neighborhoods can be particularly effective for attracting clients. Window washing. Another business you can start for under $1,000 is a window washing service. The beauty of being your own business and making money doesn't have to be overly complicated. Lawn care, for example, is a $129 billion industry, and it doesn't require much to start. First, you'll need a lawnmower. You don't necessarily need an expensive riding mower. A basic push mower, a cheap hedge trimmer, a leaf blower, and an affordable weed whacker will suffice. You can fit all your equipment in the back of a regular sedan. Finding clients doesn't have to be limited to door-to-door approaches. You can use inexpensive door-hanging flyers from Vistaprint, post ads on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, local Facebook groups, Craigslist, and Nextdoor. Targeting wealthier neighborhoods can be a smart strategy. YouTube. Our final business idea is starting a YouTube channel, which can be the most lucrative but also requires significant effort. Don't be discouraged if you think you lack the equipment or experience. Starting a YouTube channel doesn't necessitate a hefty budget. Most modern smartphones can shoot high-quality videos, even in 4K. You can begin with just your phone. Of course, there are many details to cover when it comes to channel niche selection, video idea generation, and video editing, which can't be covered in this brief video. However, I plan to create a dedicated video soon on how to produce high-quality YouTube videos using your phone. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!